At SpeedPro, we are the premier large format printer. We specialize in corporate interiors, and we like to show you our capabilities and the best products and solutions in the market today. These products are the building blocks of a successful project in corporate or commercial interiors. Let's talk about window solutions. Window perf and glass appeal are both popular graphic options. With window perf, we often see it used in displays, retail advertising, and commercial window signage. The image printed on the perf can be seen from the outside without being able to see inside, and those inside can still see through the window. Light also passes through, keeping interiors illuminated. Another window option is glass appeal. Glass appeal clings to the window using microsuction technology instead of an adhesive. The three variations of glass appeal are clear, frost, and blockout white. It's also weather resistant, which means that it can be used outside as well as inside. In both environments, the substrate will not shrink or expand, they'll stay exactly where you need it. When looking to add more privacy to areas with windows, frosted vinyl is your solution. Frosted vinyl can be digitally printed and contour cut to create custom designs. We can even tint the frosted vinyl with color. When adding color to frost, a little ink can go a long way. This sample is a unique tool that showcases color opacity, types of frost, and white ink. When ink is printed on a clear substrate, you'll notice that the ink is translucent. We have the unique ability to print white ink behind the colored ink to give the exact look and color you need. The sample I have here allows you to place ink at different opacities over the top of digitally printed frost and frosted vinyls. With this tool, putting together different combinations is easy and will give you a completely unique look. Some upcoming products we're seeing surface in the market are safety film and window tint. Safety film is a truly revolutionary product. It's a tough and transparent film that is applied to existing windows. In some cases, it makes the windows more resilient and reflects heat and blocks UV rays, reducing the electric bill. With the wide variety of window options, your windows will be sure to work for you. For more information on large format printing solutions, contact SpeedPro.